To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel by Harper Lee that was published in 1960. The story is set in the 1930s in the fictional town of Macomb, Alabama, and follows the life of a young girl named Scout Finch and her brother Jem, as they grow up and navigate the racial tensions and injustice in their town. The novel begins with Scout and Jem meeting their new neighbor, Dill, and their fascination with the reclusive and mysterious Boo Radley. The children are also introduced to their father, Atticus Finch, a respected lawyer who is appointed to defend a black man, Tom Robinson, who is accused of raping a white woman. As the trial progresses, the children witness the racism and prejudice of their community, including the viciousness of Bob Ewell, the father of the alleged victim. Despite Atticus' efforts to prove Tom's innocence, he is found guilty and ultimately killed in an attempt to escape custody. Throughout the novel, Scout and Jem come to understand the complexities of racial inequality and the harsh realities of their society. Along the way, they learn valuable lessons about empathy, justice, and the importance of standing up for what is right. To Kill a Mockingbird is a timeless and powerful novel that explores themes of racism, injustice, and the struggle for equality. It has been widely acclaimed for its social commentary and its portrayal of complex and memorable characters. Thank you for watching.